Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a ball joint on a Honda Civic. First, gather all necessary tools and safety equipment before starting any work. You'll need items like a ball joint press, various sockets, a torque wrench, and pliers. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting your vehicle and securing it with jack stands. We'll cover removing the wheel, the brake assembly, and the spindle nut to access the ball joint. This method aims to be straightforward and easy to follow. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, begin by removing the front wheel. Next, you'll need to address the spindle nut. Use a flathead screwdriver to undo its clip, then a 32mm deep well socket to loosen and remove it. After that, unfasten the 2 bolts on the back of the caliper and any additional bolts securing the brake line. Remove the caliper assembly, hanging it safely aside with a bungee cord, then slide out the brake rotor.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. Working on cars can get a little messy, and sometimes your car might not smell its best. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a game changer. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's focus on the ball joint itself. First, use pliers to remove the safety cotter pin from the lower castle nut. Then, loosen and remove the castle nut with a 17mm socket. To separate the ball joint, you can use a ball joint separator or a pickle fork, carefully tapping it to break the taper free. Once it's loose, you can remove the old ball joint from the lower control arm, ensuring no damage to surrounding components. With the old ball joint out, clean the surface of the lower control arm thoroughly. Insert your new ball joint into the knuckle, ensuring it's properly seated. Install the snap ring, then hand tighten the new castle nut. Torque the castle nut to 50 foot-pounds, or until the cotter pin slot aligns. Always use a new cotter pin, bending its ends to secure the nut. Reattach the pinch bolt and tighten the spindle nut to 134 foot-pounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.